Hi guys, welcome back. So for this video I would like to show to you on how to make a carpet with a special design, something like geometrical design or abstract design. So first we draw the carpet first, 2 meter by 2 meter, and increase the thickness and make sure we group the carpet. Then only that we can apply the fur onto this carpet. Okay, fur has been applied to this carpet. So we go to asset editor. This one we just delete first. Okay, so first thing, choose the interactive render and render output. Okay, 800 by 450. We hit the render button to see the result. Okay, so if you see the fur, we need to adjust first. So go to this geometries, go to fur, and you can play with parameter. So same as before, count area is 15, the length is 1 meter, so the thickness, I think we stick with this 0.15. The taper I make it 0.5. Okay, so we set the scene first. Okay, so to apply the special design to this carpet, you need to create a generic material first. First thing, go to create asset, materials, and generic materials. So you can rename it as carpet special design. Okay, so in this material carpet special design, you go to the diffuse and go to texture slot, go to bitmap, and you can choose the design that you want, or you can just Google whatever design you want. Okay, so I'm going to use this design. Okay, so select the carpet and apply to selection, and you see the carpet has been applied to the geometrical design that we choose, and the size is really small, so you can edit the size. Go to the material tree, edit, and make it 2 meter times 2 meter, same as our carpet size. Okay, so it has been changed to this. Go back to scene 1. Yeah, this is the design. See? And we go to this. The carpet has been applied with our desired pattern. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. We will continue with a base and strand color in our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and bye bye.